In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link columns in Monday.com. Linking columns is a great way to keep related information connected without having to manually copy and paste data across your board. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly how to add a link column to your board so you can connect items more efficiently and keep your workspace organized. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and you're on the correct workspace. From there, start by selecting the project or board where you want to link columns. This might be a project management board, a client tracker, or any board where you need to connect information. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place so you don't accidentally edit the wrong board. Once your project is open, look to the far right side of your existing columns. You'll see a small plus sign button. This is how you add new columns to your board. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you do, Monday.com will open a menu showing different column types you can add. In that menu, you'll see a few quick options at the top, but what you want here is the full list. So click on the option labeled More Columns. This opens the complete column center, where all the different column types are organized and easy to browse. Now, you need to find the column type that will let you link information. Depending on your version, this might be called a link column or something similar, and it's usually grouped with other advanced or connectivity columns. You can scroll through the list until you see it, or use the search bar at the top of the column center to type in link. Using the search is often faster, especially if you're not sure where the column is located in the list. Once you've located the link column, click on it to select it. You'll see a short description on the right explaining what it does and how it behaves on your board. If that looks correct, you're ready to add it to your project. Finally, click on the button that says Add to Board. Monday.com will immediately create the new link column on the far right side of your existing columns. From there, you can rename the column, adjust its settings, and start using it to connect items and keep your data neatly linked across your board.